Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabrielle. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make my foaming whipped sugar scrubs. I will be leaving the recipe in the description box below. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a foaming soap base. I make this base from scratch from a recipe I got from Etsy. The next thing you're going to need is a mixing bowl. You'll need cane sugar, and you'll also need measuring cups. And then we're going to get to the ingredients. You're going to need a preserver. This is optiphen. You can use any preserver that you would like. This is to make sure no bacteria or mold grows in your scrubs. Next, you're going to need 2 types of oils. I use jojoba oil as well as sweet almond oil. And you can use any oil of your choice as long as it's a light oil, such as hemp seed or avocado. Next, you'll need 100% vegetable glycerin. I get this from Make Your Own Buzz, as well as my oils. And then you will need a fragrance oil or essential oil. I am making 2 batches today, so the first fragrance oil that I'm using is warm vanilla sugar. And then the next fragrance oil I'll be using is a scent called Fruit Loops. This is my Saturday morning cartoons scent, and I get these from Virginia Candle Supply. Next, you'll need 2 kitchen scales. You're going to need a big kitchen scale and a gram scale to measure out any of your ingredients. And you will also need a Dixie cup for your oils to measure them out. And then you will need your jars. And now this recipe will make 18 of these 4-ounce jars, and I get these from Candle Science. So let's get into making the sugar scrubs. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to whip your sugar scrub base, and you're going to make it nice and fluffy. You don't want to over whip because that can result into your sugar scrubs deflating. Trust me, it's happened to me a million times. I did want to mention that you can either use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. Either one works perfectly fine. And if you're going the super cheaper route, you could use a whisk and mix it by hand. This does take a while, so I would not recommend it. Next, after you get your base nice and fluffy, we're going to get the vegetable glycerin and measure out our portion. And I forgot my spoon while I was doing this. I am going to be pouring the glycerin in, and as Katie Carson would say, I'm gonna scrapey my little containy. And then we want to whip this into the base. And like I said, just don't over whip it. Once you're done mixing the glycerin into the sugar scrub, it should look like a marshmallow fluff kind of texture. Next, we're going to grab our kitchen scale and measure out our sugar. I get my sugar from Costco or Sam's Club. It's just normal cane sugar. You can get it from any grocery store of your choice. And if you do what I did and overdo the sugar, it's okay. Just pour a little out. Even if it's a little bit over the amount, it's fine. It's not going to hurt anything. And now you'll just incorporate the sugar into the foaming base. You will be adding more sugar. This is just how I like to do it. I like to split everything up to make it easier. Now we're going to add our oils. We're going to add our fragrance oil, our jojoba oil, and our sweet almond oil. I am not adding the optiphen in this video due to already having optiphen put into the base prior to starting the video. But this is the time where you would add it. And now that I have all my sugar into the base, I'm going to give it a good mix and make sure everything is incorporated. Okay, now that we've finished, I'm going to show you what the end product looks like. It's going to still have that marshmallow fluff texture as well as the gritty texture that's going to exfoliate your hands. And let me tell you what, this smells so good. I love this scent more than anything. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix my Saturday morning cartoons off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, I went ahead and finished that up, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like a little closer to the camera. And this is what your product should look like. It's very whipped, very gritty looking, and like I said, it looks like a marshmallow. Next, we're gonna add our mica powder in. I get these micas from Amazon. The one for my Saturday morning cartoons is going to be the raspberry color, and then for my warm vanilla sugar, it's a pearl beige. It has a little bit of a glitter in it, and I think that it makes it look very beautiful. Once I'm done adding these, I'm going to mix them up, and then I will be putting them in a piping bag and filling my jars. And here's the finished product. I do want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and if you liked it, make sure to give a thumbs up, comment, and share, as well as subscribe. These will be available in my store starting Monday morning on the 24th. If you guys do make these, make sure to tag me on Instagram so that I can see your creations. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy!